device uses advanced technology to print wood-like textures onto a variety of materials, faithfully capturing the essence of natural wood grain on a variety of surfaces. A wood screwdriver that creates precise screw lines for woodworking projects, improving the precision of a carpenter's work. This device simplifies the creation of wood fibers, ideal for custom furniture and handmade products. This fully automated CNC lathe efficiently processes works with precision, enhancing productivity and ensuring consistent quality. With its automated capability patterns. This technique requires skill and practice to control the speed and depth of the router to achieve the desired results. The router is equipped with different bits that can create many different textures. In particular, safety precautions, such as wearing protective gear and fastening wood, are important when using a router. The wood embossing machine creates intricate wood patterns on a variety of surfaces, simulating real wood grain with astonishing realism. This sophisticated device. At Firewood, they are very careful in choosing high-quality wood to ensure durability and beauty when crafting chairs. The wood is cut precisely according to the design parameters of the chair, ensuring accuracy. They use 5, 5 and 6 axis CNC wood cutting machines to achieve high precision. Each piece after cutting is thoroughly sanded to achieve smoothness. Assembly is then done carefully, ensuring all parts fit together seamlessly. Finally, the chair is coated with paint to preserve its beauty and durability before undergoing rigorous quality testing. Wood carving with a router provides precise and intricate detail, allowing for the creation of intricate designs and the maintenance of building and navigating these canoes is passed down to the elders of the community, and knowledgeable members of the community pass on their expertise to the younger generation. This Coca-Cola Santa sign is crafted using CNC inlay technology to precisely align the design. The design is meticulously created through computer software, ensuring accuracy and detail. Once the pattern is formed, each piece is carefully placed onto the board, creating the iconic Coca-Cola Santa Claus image. The board is then sanded to ensure a smooth surface and coated with protective paint to enhance the natural beauty and durability of the wood. 2 smaller outriggers that add stability, preventing capsizing when paddling in rough seas. The mast is placed in the main bore and the sail is used to exploit the force of the wind. Furthermore, these traditional canoes are not only practical means of transport, but also play a role in cultural ceremonies and traditional knowledge passed down through generations. Over time, they have been used in many different events such as weddings, inauguration ceremonies, funerals and ancestor worship ceremonies. The canoes themselves may be decorated and embellished with culturally significant patterns and carvings. Indigenous cultures have a profound awareness of continuity, and they can now symbolize this connection across generations. He embarked on this project to place himself in the challenging historical context of the journey of shipwreck survivor James after an epic 42-day sailing voyage. His journey from the shipwreck outside the Great Barrier Reef to the south coast near Townville, today discovered and cared for by the Goba Bia tribe, he has fully integrated into the Indigenous Peoples Association. He wanted to see if he could escape Moore's troubles a year after coming ashore at this stage. At this stage, he recovered from the shipwreck and learned basic survival skills from his native caretakers over 14 months. Michael's double outrigger canoe combines traditional Indigenous design with Western boat building techniques. It has a unique design with one main hole and carved from a single log. They form a monolithic structure that contributes to their sturdiness. Without joints, there are fewer potential weak points, making them excellent water resistance. Canoes are adapted to handle the challenges of different water environments, from the waves and currents of coastal waters to the calm waters of bays and lagoons. The thickness of the canoe body varies, but along the keel it is usually thicker. This design enhances buoyancy and stability, allowing the canoe to negotiate rapids and obstacles. Aboriginal communities use natural materials extensively to seal canoes. Craftsmen will carefully heat the natural materials so they can spread more effectively once applied. The cooled and solidified material creates a seal by sealing the wood. These techniques also protect the hull from rotting, while preserving the outer bark, which forms the body of the canoe. This dugout canoe is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Michael's canoe was crafted from a 4-ton log of Norfolk pine, an evergreen conifer. The wood from these trees is light and buoyant, ideal for making canoes. Dugout canoes have been used for thousands of years, made from a single log, creating a sturdy one-piece structure without joints, helping them withstand more wear and tear. He used different tools such as a handheld chainsaw, an axe, a chisel and fire to hollow out the inside of the log. Fire is used to burn and scrape wood, a process known as fire hollowing. Dugout canoes are remarkably resilient and can withstand considerable wear and tear. The first thing he needed to do was find a tree big enough. He went to a high mountain in Norfolk Island to search. Even though he faced difficult terrain and harsh conditions, with the great support of his chainsaw and extensive experience, he overcame all challenges. Finally, he brought down the big tree and felt happy with his trophy. After the truck brought home the large tree, he couldn't wait any longer, so he immediately started work on building the canoe he had always dreamed of. A dugout canoe is a type of boat or watercraft made by hollowing out a log or tree trunk. The process typically involves using a handheld chainsaw and an axe to remove the inner wood of the tree trunk. He built his own dugout canoe for a 1,500 kilometre solo expedition up the Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Sounds interesting, right? Let's start. As a pilot in the Australian Defence Force, he was taught excellent survival skills. Now, he's putting his skills to the test outside of the military through multiple expeditions in Australia and around the world. This time, to prepare for the 1,500 kilometres trip, he needed to make a sturdy dugout canoe to be his companion.